Hey guys, so today we're going to go through how to change the oil in your front differential on a 2016 Toyota 4Runner Trail. I'll go through all the things that you need, some of the prep you need to do, and then how to actually go through and do the differential oil change. So first of all, you need Toyota differential gear oil, 75W85, 10mm hex, a fluid pump, a quart bottle, a can opener, a funnel, oil pan, a ratchet, a torque wrench, gloves, shop towels, washer for your drain plug, and washer for your fill plug. Now in preparation, you want to drive around your car for 5 to 10 minutes to heat up the oil so that it comes out more easily. And then you want to open up your differential oil with your can opener and place it into your quart bottle. You can skip this step if you choose just to put a pump directly into this can and fill it directly into your differential. Now we're gonna put our pump on there. Alright, so we're gonna take this skid plate off first. This is a 12mm. This is a 12mm. For orientation, this is your front driver's side light. We're gonna come under here and try to get this angle. Okay, this is your drain, that is your fill plug. I took off the skid plate, and you'll need to do that to get access to be able to do this. Okay, that's a 10mm hex. So we're gonna remove the fill plug first, then we'll remove the drain plug to make sure that we don't drain it without being able to fill it. Okay, so we got that loosened. Now let's remove the drain plug. I'm just letting this drop onto my napkin, or my shop towel there. Now I just need to bring my pan over. Maybe a bad angle for you guys, but I need the oil to go in the pan. This is your drain plug. Again, it's magnetic, just like your rear differential. We're gonna clean all this off. Okay, we're gonna replace that washer. I'm just gonna wipe it down. So this is your drain plug. You can see it has a magnet in the middle and it has a gold washer. Okay, this is your fill plug. You can see it's hollow in the middle, well, at least at the top bit, and then it has a silver washer. You can see that. All right. Your drain plug washer is this number. That's your drain plug washer. This is your fill plug washer. So now that it's pretty much all drained out, I'm gonna put the drain plug back on. So the drain plug is 48 foot-pounds of torque. The fill plug is 29 foot-pounds of torque. Obviously make sure of that before you work on your car. I'm gonna lightly tighten it, hand tight, and then I'll use the torque wrench to do the rest, but I'll do that later. So okay, so I'm going to refill the oil in the differential. I'm just going to put this end of the tube into the top, the fill hole, the differential fill hole up there, and then I'm just going to pump oil into there. This is 1 quart right here, and this is what helps with this bottle as well because it's sold in liters and it's a slight difference. 1.6 quarts are going to go into here. Once you put that in, go ahead and put your fill plug back on. I'm gonna hand tighten, and then I will torque it. This is 29 foot-pounds of torque, the fill plug. So make sure you do that. I'm gonna wipe everything down. Once I wipe everything down, I will probably drive the car around for 15, 20, 30 minutes. Get a sense of whether it seems good or not. And then that should pretty much be it. Just clean up and put your skid plate back on. Exact same way you took it off. 12mm bolts, 4 of them. Throw it back on and you should be good to go. Cool?